So guys, I'm terribly sorry but I ran out of batteries and I wasn't able to show you how I did the cheeks. But if you still want to have a look on how I used the Butt Naked Turn the Other Cheek palette, which I am loving so far. I mean, not everything is highly pigmented, but at least the essentials are there, and it has a lot of neutrals. I would say I still bought it for the cheek palette, for the blush and the highlight. Not all the highlights are like so lovable, but they all turn out so well. I will quickly show you what I absolutely love about this palette is that it is quite complete, and I have a huge, everybody talks about the mirror a lot because this is the size of the mirror, and all I can say is that it has an abundance of eyeshadows, both neutral and, well, cool and warm, but I really bought it for this. So I really love it. It has a bigger highlight because I highlight more than I use the blushes, and this one is highly pigmented. This is like, it a little goes a long way with this shade, and it's matte, and I love everything. I love all the blushes, but maybe the most that you could try to take care of at putting is this leftmost part, and I really love it. And I will be creating more looks using this palette. Hopefully you love this look.
Look into my eyes and show me your adventures I haven't seen. Taking all the life, it hits the spot. Walking on fantasy. So take me, baby, take me to a state of mind that's made up, baby, that's made up all that we find. Test the waters, oh, it's hard. I think we're getting close. Racing through the waves, I want to be where nobody knows. So take me, baby, take me to a state of mind that's made up, baby, that's made up all that we find. Hypnotic, watch your body stand. Happiness, this is
So the most exciting part for me now is this part. Yeah! So I'm gonna use my two brushes, this Real Techniques and this. You know, I made a mistake. I thought it was Saria. I'm gonna change. It's Aiyaya. Sorry for that. Aiyaya. So sorry for the wrong credit. Okay, but before I go there, let's just do some contouring first.
Look into my eyes and show me your adventures I haven't seen. Taking all the life, it hits the spot. Walking on fantasy. So take me, baby, take me to a state of mind that's made up, baby, that's made up all that we find.
So I'm running out of batteries, so I'm gonna quickly show you how it looks like. This is the final look. And special mention goes to my Ofra. I'm really loving my lipstick right now. It's the Pasadena by Ofra, and as far as I can tell, it's not drying. It hasn't been on sale for a year. I've been waiting for it to go on sale because it's 850 pesos a pop, and for me, I mean, NYX is half of that price. So I was hoping that maybe I should be able to get it on sale, but it didn't go on sale. And then, well, something happened, and I just thought, well, yeah, what the heck, just find out what's with this lipstick. It's been very famous, and I love the color as well. It doesn't turn out the same way that it would turn out to more fair skin tones, but I'm a medium tone, so it just turns out like a nude, rosy, old rose nude to me.